Hi, my name is Bernard Dufresne, and I'm an attorney at Advocates for Children, and I'm here to talk to you about what you should do if your child is suspended from a New York City public school. The first thing you should do is figure out if your child has received a principal suspension or a superintendent suspension. For a principal suspension, your child can be suspended for 1 to 5 days. For a superintendent suspension, your child can be suspended from 6 days to a full year. Regardless of if your child has received a principal suspension or a superintendent suspension, as a parent or guardian, you have to receive notice about the suspension, both orally and written. That written notice must include important information about your rights and your child's rights. For instance, that notice must include your child's right to receive alternative instruction. During the course of the suspension, your child has a right to continue to be educated. Do not remove your child from school if you have not received a written suspension notice, or else your child may be marked as absent from school. For a principal suspension, you are entitled to attend a principal's conference, which is a meeting with your child's principal to discuss the incident for which your child was suspended. For a superintendent suspension, you have the right to challenge the suspension in a suspension hearing. For a superintendent suspension, it's very important to reach out to your child's school and obtain your child's suspension packet. That suspension packet will contain information about your child's educational and disciplinary records. It's very important to be prepared for a superintendent suspension hearing. Therefore, it's advised that you obtain that suspension packet as soon as possible once you receive the notice of your child's suspension. For children with disabilities, you are entitled to additional protections. And for more information about additional protections afforded to students with disabilities and more information about school discipline, please visit our website.